Have you ever looked at your old travel photographs and thought, wow, I would love to go back there and bring that to life so that I can relive that experience again? Well, before I started YouTube, I'd already visited about 80 countries. Amongst those, Kazakhstan, Saudi Arabia, Georgia, Armenia, Argentina, Mexico, etc, etc. Lots and lots of really interesting places. And I was recently looking through my travel photos and I thought what a great idea it would be to bring the stories of those trips to life using my favourite videos of the time, admittedly taken on old phones, so the quality may be a bit dodgy, but also through the photographs. And I'll tell you the funny stories of what happened along the way whilst I was there. I'll also give you top tips and recommendations in the event that you'd like to visit those places. So these won't just be travel videos, they're going to be travel stories. And for the reason that I set up this channel, which was to ensure that I had a video record of the places that I would visit at the point when I was too old to travel anymore, I want to bring those stories to life so that we can all enjoy them as well. So if you love discovering places that most people never get to see, please make sure you're subscribed, because we're going to go and visit all of these wonderful places that the world has to offer together.